Well, hello and welcome to my 258 subscriber special. Well, today we will be reviewing only the best comments that have been left on my videos. Let's get to it. The first comment was from Caleb Curry. He said, "Thanks for the shout out, you've taught me more about computers than anyone." This was on the 0 subscriber special. Well, this dog has encouraged me to learn about computers more than anyone. He's helped me get books, he's helped me get resources, and helped me understand some really complex concepts. So, huge shout out to him. You'll probably see him on the channel here and there. And yeah, thanks, Caleb. Our next comment here is from MKHL. He said, "No videos." This was on my 0 subscriber special where I literally created this channel. So, I don't know, there wasn't any other content at the time. So, no videos, but there is videos now. Yay. Next comment is from Melina Lucera. "Ha ha ha, I'm looking forward to the content in this channel. I'm a developer and I don't know much about hardware. Good luck." Well, good luck to you as you follow this channel. I intend to create videos for developers. It's very important to understand the hardware of the computer that you're developing for. If you're writing code, it is being ran on a processor, stored in RAM, and loaded from a hard drive. And all of these things are super important in the execution and performance of your code. Wow, what a sentence. Anyways, it's important. I could have just said that. So the next comment is from, well, I'm gonna call it the Flying Dog Man. I can't exactly pronounce any of that. It is very good, but I think that if you put a miniature on the video and maybe some images while you talk, then it would be better. This is for what happens when you turn on a computer. Well, I'm starting to do that now, and I really believe that the more I get into concepts and explaining stuff, more pictures are going to be necessary. So thanks for that suggestion, and I've been implementing it in my videos ever since. So the next comment is from a Lakshan Pereira. And he says, "Whatever happens, never stop this channel. You are doing better, Josh." Well, thank you. I really appreciate that. I'm trying to do better every one of these videos. Yeah. The next comment is from Tanish Q Sinj. I'm probably butchering the pronunciation. This person has commented on nearly every one of my videos. All of them good and just great feedback, and I really appreciate the time that you're giving me to help improve my content. It says, "Sir, you have dang cool knowledge and experience with stuff. How can we get there? I mean, any suggestions for college students? You're an inspiration." Well, yes, okay. If you want to understand computers, there's like a list of things that you can go through, and all of which is going to be useful. To give like a list of subjects that are useful in understanding computers, and these are in like an order of basic to high-level concepts. It would be math, chemistry, electronic lithography, electric theory, electronics, digital electronics, logic, Boolean algebra, assembly, basic, Fortran, C, and then Java, Python, and C#, software development principles like object-oriented design and algorithms. And then you'll move on to networking basics, and then you'll developing and designing cloud-based applications. So there's a whole spectrum of things that you can study as far as computers go. My recommendation is find your niche, and with me, it's hardware. More specifically, some low-level hardware that I just cannot get enough of studying, and I pick up resources related to it, and I'm like, this is amazing! But if you told me to study Java, I'd probably be like, I don't wanna. So 3 great resources for what I do and what this channel is about, which is hardware, is iWAS. This book changed my life, and it shows the actual technological progression of humanity as we started to move into networking and higher level languages. There's also the Apple computer in there, I mean, if that's interesting to you. The next book is called Upgrading and Repairing PCs. I actually have that book. So fun fact, I read this book when I was in like 10th grade, and it changed my life forever. Here it is. It's thick. It's like 1,150 pages long. Find it at your library. It's actually about 5 years out of updating and revising, but from here you'll learn a lot of principles that carry over into hardware nowadays. It's huge. It's called Scott Mueller's Upgrading and Repairing PCs. 22nd edition was the most current one, and I got it from the library. Seriously, read it, reread it, make it your Bible for how to understand this stuff. And my last thing here is, as far as getting the most experience per hour, as far as studying this, is pick up the white papers. White papers are kind of the academic scholarly papers of the industry. They would be put out by companies like Intel and AMD. So whenever a new technology is being designed, rolled out, this is a paper to get everyone familiar with it. And you'll find these over everything from hypertransport to single instruction, multiple data, and how that was implemented. You'll find it on USB, you'll find it on PCI Express. Like, all of these have a white paper and then corresponding specification papers. Beyond that, it's extremely technical and you have to have the right mind for it, but it's something I found very useful in studying this. Next comment is Admiral Mudkip? It says, "This channel is going to blow up. The videos are genuinely entertaining and informative. Keep up the good work." This has been a trend in my comments. You guys love it, and that's good. I'm glad that I'm creating stuff that's engaging, and I want to keep doing that. And also, just thanks for the encouragement. So, I did want to throw in just one more. This is kind of silly, but like, this guy Ijaz Hussein, he said, "Suggestion, wear cap on head, dude," and something about my audio. And they said, "Oh yeah, first, dude, just giving you a suggestion. Wear cap on head, man." And then his third comment was, "You didn't wear the cap I suggested you yesterday, by the way." Well, here we are. So thank you all for watching. I want this video to be a thanks, and I thank you all for joining me and helping me improve my content to better teach you, working through the technical difficulties and just some concept stuff as well. I hope to teach you everything I can about hardware, and I'm having fun. Hope you guys are too. Much better.